Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the name of your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down for a bit and tap on General. Next, hit Add About, and on that screen at the very top you can easily find the name of your iPhone. As for now it's set to iPhone BST, and you can hit at your name, and now you can edit it in the way you want. You can remove the entire name, and after that you can type in here whatever you want. You can use any characters, any emojis. In that way you can hit add emojis icon and add some random emojis, and once you finished with that you can first hit at that globe icon, and now you are able to hit on done to set that new name as your device name. But there is one more place where you can change the name, so you need to go out to the settings and then scroll down to the very top. As you can see right here at the very top position, it shows you your name. That's actually your Apple ID name, and you can tap on that, then hit on name, phone numbers, email, and after a few seconds you are able to change your name. Just tap on that, and in that simple way you can easily set first name and last name, and if you want you can even add here middle name. Once you have done, just hit and add done, and that's it. Now you know how to change the name of your iPhone and your Apple ID name. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.